Hey gamers, here's a breakdown of my PC build. This is what I use to check, or to help build my PC, should I say. I use the website pcpartpicker.com. If you're in the UK, you want to put the UK dot in front of the PC part picker for the subdomain. Basically, it allows you to build your own system by picking parts available from its own database. So you can see I've got, from the previous video, my i7-6700. We've got the Corsair H110i GT, my Asus Maximum 8 Hero motherboard, my Corsair Vengeance memory, got my SSD and my mechanical hard drives. Now you can see for the video card I had to select the MSI GeForce. This was more just to check the wattage, as it totals up how much estimated wattage your system's going to use. So I went with something equivalent. So bear in mind I still purchased the Gamewood 980 Ti golden sample, not this one as advertised. My Fractal Design R5 case, which you'll find out I made a bit of a boo-boo in the last video. I purchased the wrong case, didn't I? I purchased the R4 instead of the R5 because I built it in here, and then I just ended up buying the wrong flipping case, being silly. So it's always important to double check what you are doing. And finally, we've got our EVGA 950 watt power supply. So as you can see, the cost for what PC part picker comes up, and it's only got, say, half a dozen websites that it checks. We've got 1455.95, and I've totaled up how much I've paid, so I'm not going to pad it out, but my total cost is 1323.23. So £1,323.23. So I have saved around £132.72. Now, things of note, I purchased some of these during the Black Friday sale. So I managed to pick up the Corsair water cooler and my Samsung SSD for cheaper than it normally would be. Okay, but as you can see, the best prices for the December are listed there, which are the same from the previous page we just looked at. But yeah, I'm happy I've saved £132.72. Your mileage will vary as prices do go up and down on a daily basis. But it's also worth looking further afield than just what's on there, because you might find some cheaper deals out there. And also, probably the best time for purchasing components might be around summer, in the lead up to September, getting back to school, as I think some deals are on there. If you are going to build your own system, of course, when it comes to building your own rig, I don't know, you'd have to do some research on that. But yeah, so just to summarise, I used uk.pcpartpicker.com in order to build up my system, to check for any problems that might have, and then I went and did my own research by looking for costs, doing a Google search to see if I could find anything cheaper than the prices there, and then purchased it. Well, that's if you want to get the best price. What I did is I stuck with a reputable company who was actually close by, so if there was a problem, I could rectify it quickly. So for example, when I purchased the R4 case and I meant to get the R5, it only took me an hour and a half in total to get it rectified, since I was in driving distance of scan. So it really depends. If you're close to a place where they're selling components, for PCs, and you value, you know, speed over cost, and yeah, use that. Otherwise, if you're not, money is the ultimate budget of you. You don't care whether it might take a bit of time to build a system or to receive components, or if there's a problem when you have to return parts, which could happen through component failure, then you could probably save more. In fact, you might be close to my savings if you did that, not factoring in Black Friday. Next up, I'm going to start the build. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay in tune with these videos. And if you've got any questions on the build so far, hit up on the comments down below.